Welcome to the Magic Adventures Globe.
You'll need to use the stylus to play with this globe. The stylus works best when tapped straight against the globe, not at an angle. Tap the buttons around the screen to make selections.
Countries. Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn about the world's country.
Animals. Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn about animals of the world.
Fancy meeting you up here. I'm Charlie, and I can't wait to learn about sea animals. Come on, let's learn about them together.
Found in all the major oceans of the world, the great white shark is one of the longest living fish, with some living more than 70 years. Great white sharks are ferocious predators, as they prey on a variety of marine animals, including fish and seabirds. They are most often found along the coast of the United States, South Africa, Japan, and some parts of the Mediterranean. Great whites can grow to more than 20 feet and weigh nearly 2 tons.
Here are some more animals that live under the sea. Here comes the octopus with its 8 tentacles. And, of course, fish. Gloop, gloop, gloop. Well, guys, that's it for now. See you soon, fans.
Touch the globe to explore.